Second floor.
How are you?
Go! Oh my god, no driving! Ah! Took you forever.
Welcome.
Where's all your furniture?
I think Matt, can you grab a chair for him?
Oh, yeah, no problem. I got you, man. What's up, dog? I
What
get
up,
you
boy?
a chair.
Sure, I mean, shit.
Welcome to the crib. You can just...
You guys just hide your chairs and shit? What the fuck is going on?
I got you, one of a kind. It's nice.
It's pretty comfy.
Whatever you do, don't break it.
You broke the chair. Go, there.
Rosie, get on his lap. Get up there.
It was a pyramid, this shit.
No, you're supposed to stand there.
Oh.
She's all sits.
Here. Wait, you too? Yeah.
Oh my god, you're killing me.
Hey, you're at 40 seconds.
Oh my god.
No, he's all tired.
Okay. Jesus.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're cheer all over. Called Two Girls, One Mic. So
It's pretty close to 2 girls, 1 cup.
I know, exactly. Very close to 2 girls, 1 cup, but this one's 2 girls, 1 mic, and we talk some raw shit.
Twist, man.
There's a twist in there. People are gonna want to watch it, and it's gonna be great. And I'm excited as fuck.
We just watched mine.
Yeah, honestly, I liked yours a lot. I want to do because it's short. You want to see it? I'm done with it again.
I don't want to show my penis.
Okay, cookie o'clock.
You're a milkshake. Do you even have milkshakes? Look, they're like all closed up. You're gonna make them open. Fuck.
Vlog on vlog.
When she feels her dreams just falling apart.
Oh, there's one for mint.
She humps. So they didn't want to miss the previews. We're pretty much gonna miss the previews.
Right here.
Do it again. Where are they at? Where is it at?
Here.
Okay, cool. It's a cool milkshake. It's over here.
No, it was behind.
It says right here, 1040.
Knew it. Come on, let's go.
Dude, take the wheel.
Oh my god, he's so cute.
I know.
We're headed into
Talk about the octopus again.
the octopus. Leave me alone. I can't focus. There's too much light on me.
That's the whole point.
Okay, a dog walks into a convenience store. It says, put some chapstick and put it on my bill. Get it? Like a bill and a bill? You know what I mean? Okay.
Okay, just take me home.
Is it done?
Yeah. How come this fool always in trouble?
Fuck you. Look at this.
Bro, you know you don't have to strip for a living, bro. I got you. I got you. Don't strip anymore. I love you.
If I'm gonna strip, it gotta be way more than this.
Dude, how high are you?
I'm pretty stoned right now. Keep it 100. That's what I'm getting.
Or
Where's back?
big back ribs and norms.
Baby,
And your girlfriend just showed up.
barbecue sauce.
It looks all quick.